Hello, you gorgeous queens. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have a epic review tutorial video for you guys. I am so excited to be reviewing this product today. So I've recently purchased a glitter lip kit from Stay Golden Cosmetics. If you haven't heard of them, I'm sure that you guys have seen their ads all over your social media. They are like the backlighting with those gorgeous glitter lips that are like kiss proof, drink proof, water resistant. So I thought that this would be the perfect product to review for my YouTube channel. So stay with me while I show you guys all about the glitter lip kit from Stay Golden Cosmetics. So I've recently purchased the glitter lip kit, like I said, from Stay Golden Cosmetics. Very cute packaging, sleek, matte black, and of course they thank you for purchasing from them. After purchasing, I received an email from their social media team asking me to review this for my social media network. So I was like, yes, duh, why would I not do this for my YouTube channel? So here we go. So upon opening the packaging, you are actually greeted with another thank you for purchasing card. Then they have like their website on there, their other social medias where you can find them as well. Next one that you're gonna get is the application process. What's the best way to apply your glitter lip kit, and it will also show you where you can find other tutorials to watch how to apply it. Then you have your cute box here, and then of course your product. Inside of here, you're actually going to have a brush. There's going to be some glitter in there, whatever color you chose, and there's also going to be the glitter glue in there for your lip as well. This is the packaging here. Super cute, sleek, like I said, very welcoming, I would say. Definitely got me to purchase it. My cousin actually purchased it, and she said you have to try this for your channel. She was like, it's literally like kiss proof, dude. It does not come off at all. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna give it a whirl. They actually had a coupon going on when I bought it, so I actually only ended up paying like $16 out of the 20 or 22 that they would normally require you to purchase this. So that was great as well. So the color that I chose today is Mysteria, and it's basically like a hot pink color. It does have tones of silver and purple in there as well. But basically the front of the packaging, it's kiss proof, swim proof, turn up proof, cruelty free. So on the back of the packaging, it says apply with ease. Step 1, start with dry lips. Step 2, apply the gloss to the band of your parted lips, one lip at a time. And then you take the applicator and just basically dab the glitter and just dab it onto your lips until you have the full looking lip that you would like. Now, pro tips for it, I did test it out over the weekend. I like to test things once before I actually do a review tutorial for you guys, just so you can get a true, honest, legit review from me. So it does say to use a lip liner, or I'm actually going to be using Luminous Fancy lip stain today, just to put a little bit of color on my lips. The only thing that I didn't really care for is that you definitely do need a lip liner. So on the back of the packaging, the pro tip, like it says, I would definitely recommend starting with that. So today, like I said, I'm just going to be using the Luminous Forever lip stain in the shade Fancy. So I'm just applying one very thin coat, not 2 coats like I normally would for the lip stain. Just one coat because I wanted a little bit of color on my lips, and it's mostly just to line them and to make them look a little bit more fuller like I normally would with a lip stain. So the next thing we are going to go in with is a glitter lip kit. And so we're going to start with the glue that's in there. And this is the gloss bond that they send you. Basically, it's a white glue that clears into translucent. Definitely do one lip at a time because it does dry very fast. So next, what you want to do is just make sure that it dries to translucent so you really can't see it. Make sure that your lips stay parted because as I talk here, you can see that they are actually starting to stick together from the gloss bond. But they actually give you an applicator as well, brush at the end, applicator at the other end. And then this is the glitter color that I actually chose. Very hot pink, has like tones of like silver and purple in there. So it's gonna look perfect with my look that I have going on today. Okay, so I have my glitter all applied. So now I'm just going to pucker so that it presses the glitter down into the gloss bond. So now it's test time. I want to see if I can drink with it. I want to see if I can rub it off with my finger. I want to see if any glitter at all comes off. Like they said it's not supposed to come off at all whatsoever. That's what makes it smudge proof, kiss proof, turn up proof. And of course, I love the fact that it's cruelty free. All right, test one. We're just going to rub our fingers on our lips to see if any glitter comes off at all. This I figured would be equivalent to you puckering your lips all day, rubbing them, talking even. So I want to see if we rub it to the test, is it gonna last? So here we go. Wow, not really any glitter at all. You can see a little bit of shimmer, but not really of any of the pigmented ones. So that's amazing. That's great that it's gonna last. Through your conversations, probably through your drinks. We're gonna test that next. So test two, I wanna see, can we drink with it? So you can see here, there is just a little bit of glitter on the rim. So I would say when you drink, it probably does come off just a little bit. But would it last for 4 hours out, you know, night on the town? Definitely going to last you. So well purchase made today, I think, queens. I'll leave that infamous video with that dark background and the sparkly lips for you guys at the end of my video. If you like what you see in the lip kit, you can check the link below for you. Hopefully there's a coupon. Don't forget to check that out. You know I love a good deal. Don't forget to like my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, you guys stay safe. Bye, queens.